Bullying culture has changed because of social media. Ayoko nun. Hindi. So, hello mga ka-ATM. So, I am Josh, your golden retriever boy. And now, I am going to pop these balloons for you guys. I'm going to answer them for you. So, papam pam pam. Naniniwala ka ba? Nice guys finish last. Hindi. Kasi napakasama nyo ngayon. Ang sakit nyo, guys. So, another one. Let's pop, pam, pam. Wow. Do you think bullying culture has changed because of social media? Yes. Alam nyo sa mga sarili nyo yan, guys. Because you can go to such lengths na kahit hindi ka kilala, aasarin ka, kukutsain ka, lahat ng pagkatao mo is pagdududahan just for a simple clip. Hindi ka nila kilala, pero bigla ka na lang kinukutsa. Mula Batanes hanggang Holo, tandaan nyo, kilala nyo ako at ayoko nun. What would you say to your younger self if you could go back to a time where you felt insecure or judged? Unang-una sa lahat, it's a constant thing. I'm always judged. I would just say to myself na it is all going to pass because you are a better man. Be a better person for others. You are better than that. Be a constant improvement to yourself and to your family and loved ones. Kasi mas important ka. Another one, pa! Ano ang pinaka-golden retriever move mo na nagawa mo sa crush mo? Kasama na ba guys yung hindi ako nag-focus sa thesis para lang gumawa ng isang box na punong-puno ng mga love letters, punong-puno ng mga gusto niya sa buhay. Lahat ng effort ko, finocus ko sa gift na yun para lang sa crush ko. And reject niya ako, guys. Pero okay lang yun, guys, because always think rejection is a redirection. So, it's all good. Okay? The last one, guys. Ganito, nung huli akong pumutok ng lobo, talaga nasaktan ako. Sana di niyo ako saktan, guys. How do you know when you really like someone? How do you know? Some irregularities that you're doing, you are willing to do to someone. Kasi when something that hindi mo normally na ginagawa, when you're willing to go to such lengths, it's really good. It's really amazing. And it's a really fun experience na sana man lang kayong lahat maramdaman nyo. Kasi it's fun to love, man. And I hope you love me, guys. And I will always love you guys. So, ayun lang lahat, guys, mga ka-ATM. So, this is Josh once again. You can follow me on my social medias at facebook.com/I_M_JBrother. In IG, I_M_JBrother. And sa TikTok ko, which is the same handle, is I_M_JBrother. So, see you guys on the other one. Bye!